name is STEM Girl Abby, and today's experiment is all about bubbles. Can I ask you guys a question? Have you ever tried holding a bubble before? That doesn't work because of the dirt and the oil on your hand. Comparing two of these bubbles together to see what type of bubbles they make. So we're going to start by comparing types of bubbles. So first we're going to be taking this one and putting it into the cup. And it says bouncing bubbles solution. So we are going to be putting this in the cup. So we already got this one full. So now I'm just going to be putting in regular, just open this one. Next, we're going to be taking this thing called a pipette and cutting it so we can make the bubble. And then we're going to be taking this one and be mixing it around for a little. So I think it's ready, so I'm going to dip it in and see what kind of bubble it makes. So now I'm going to try this one with the other pipette. This one we don't have to mix around, so we're just going to dip. And this one's I'm going to put on the gloves so I can actually show how to hold it. And this is why we call it special, because this is a bubble that you can actually hold out. Stay still. So this is regular dish soap, so you can do this by yourself if you need it. But this is not very special. This is real gloves, so you can do this if you want, if you have this science kit. So let's see if we can hold this one. We could. Let's see if we can bounce it. So I guess it's the same, but this one pops more than this one because this one's longer than this one. See? Let me show you. And it doesn't pop until that happens. So now we're testing if we can make a big bubble and bounce it. So first let's try one of these. I'll try this one. Wow, that is big. Oh man. That one popped. So let's see if this one will pop. So I guess this one can't be big, but that one can. So now we're gonna make huge bubbles. So let's start with this one. So we got the big bubble. And I'm gonna pop this one so we can see if that one does it. So now we're gonna try regular dishwashing liquid. regular like this one is. Look at how this bubble looks. It looks very rainbowy at the top. So I'm wondering, have you ever seen a square bubble? Because we're gonna make one. So first I'm gonna be building one of the square bubble things. And that's how you build a square bubble thing. I don't know what it's called though. But we have one extra left just in case we lost one. And now, let's get back to the bubble solution. So now we're going to be dipping this square into this big, large bowl of dish soap and water. So let's push it down all the way. And then see how this turns out. And let's give it a gentle shake. One of these parts. That looks really cool. So now we're gonna make the hourglass again. And I'm gonna have my dad come over to help me make the bubble and put it as in it so we can make a ping pong. That's it, that's it, that's it! And that's how you make it. And you know that's very cool because of how it looks in the middle, right there. And down here is the most coolest part because it looks like it's in a sand land. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time for Science with STEM Girl Abby.